Hello, ma'am. My name is Joseph Jones. Registration number is UR14CS156. Now I'm going to do the fifth lab experiment of the database lab. So, in this, the first question is retrieve the name of the customer who booked the car. So, retrieve the for this we are just selecting car ID and customer ID from the car booking table. So, this is subquery. So, subqueries is a query inside a query. So in our query, we'll be having another set of query. So for example, in this, so select car ID, customer ID from car booking, where customer ID in. So for that, again we are creating another query. So select customer ID from customer details. So the customer ID, so it's returning a value. That value is taken inside this customer ID, and that the respective car ID and customer ID is displayed. Okay, so that's how the subquery works. Okay. Next is to display the details of the car booking issued between 1st January 2014 to 1st December 2014. From this, for this, the query is select everything from car details, the car ID in. So in this subquery is select car ID from car booking, where booking date between 1st January. So this is between and end. So the range, the value whenever is booked, the car ID is respective car ID is written, and that in turn is returned to the car details table. So I display the details of the car booking issued between 1st January to 14th, that is 1st December. So select everything from car details wherever car ID is, car ID in. So for this we are creating another query. So select car ID from car booking table wherever the booking date is between 1st January to 1st December. So it returns the car ID, which in turn goes to this car ID, and the respective values are displayed. Okay. Next is display the name of the people who booked a luxury car. So select the select first name, concatenate with the last name as name. So both are concatenated and displayed as name from customer details CD. So we are creating an object. So CD customer ID in. Okay. Select customer ID from car booking CB, where car ID equal to 101 or car ID equal to 105. So 101 or 105 represents the luxury car. Okay, the ID of the luxury car. So wherever the the car that is the car ID is 101 or 105, the respective value, the customer ID is returned, and that in turn goes to this table, and finally the name is displayed. Okay. So the next one, so display the brand of the booked more than one car. Okay, so display the brand that is booked more than one car. So for that, what we're doing is select car brand from car details. So there's the object, okay, where wherever it's greater than one. Okay, so we are counting. Okay, so where the car ID is greater than e dot car ID. So car details table dot car ID, whenever it's equal, so we are returning the count. So we are returning the total number of rows. So the total number of rows is returned. Whenever the total number of rows is greater than one, we are displaying respective car brand. Okay, that's it. Next is fifth one. Display the customer name whose booking type is private and booked for Xylo. So for this, what we are doing, again, select login name from customer details where customer ID equal to. Okay, so select customer ID from car booking table where car ID is equal to. Again, we are giving another subquery. So select car ID from car details where car brand equal to Xylo and customer type equal to private. So if both the conditions are true, the respective car ID is given. So from that, what we are doing, again we are returning the car bookings ID. So that ID is again customer ID. So that customer ID is again given to this table. So the respective login name is displayed. Okay. Then sorry, name of the customer who has used all the cars. Okay. So okay. So actually also we are asked to use the exist case. So select distinct first name. So first name should be unique. Okay. From customer details C where not exist. So customer C is the object. Okay. Where not exist, that is where it doesn't exist. Select car ID from car details. Okay. Minus. So minus means what minus does is whatever is present only in this value. Okay. Whatever is present only in this okay, whatever is present only in this table and not in this table, so that we are different. So what we need is only the values from customer details, but we don't need the matching thing, that is if both the IDs are matching, that alone we don't need it. So that value we are giving. So whichever exists in this, okay, that alone we are displaying. So whichever comes in this category has used all the cars. Okay, that's the thing. So name the car which is used by all customers. So this is similar to the previous query. Instead of displaying the first name, we are just displaying the car brand. Okay, the rest of the query is exactly same. Okay. Next is name the brand of car which is used by the customer more than once. So select car brand from car details E, where so whenever it's greater than one, okay, the respective, if the car ID is matching, the respective rows are counted, and when it's greater than one, the respective car brand is displayed. Okay, that's the fifth experiment. Thank you.